the word Rishta originated from our desire to establish the issues of women's vulnerabilities within a framework of relationships or network.
We are now at the Shivaji Nagar Urban Health Center, which is situated at Devnar, Govandi. We have people coming to our Urban Health Center from Shivaji Nagar area, Benganwadi, Lotus Colony, Gajanan Colony and Rafiq Nagar. This was the very downtrodden community where they have very less health facilities available. On a daily basis, we have approximately 350 to 400 patients on an average. Maximum number of female and child population that is coming to our urban health center. So they are really having less access to their reproductive health part of it. So over the years, with the help of Rishta, we have actually had, sort of segregated them and taken them to a private clinic where they can actually be seen at a private level, where they can, speak up to it, where they can, clear out all their problems.
The entire effort was to use women as a lens to understand her own story and her own life, and then extending from there, going into the family, getting her husband into the program, getting other community members into the program, and tell those stories to them in a creative manner, So whatever women told us in the clinical setting became the powerful data for us to inform the next steps of interventions.
आदमी जब अपना अच्छा है तो सब अच्छा है। नशा करते हैं, सताते हैं, मारते हैं, गाली बकते हैं, जिम्मेदारी नहीं समझते हैं, काम धंधे पे बराबर नहीं जाते हैं, घर में बैठते हैं, किरकिर करते हैं, बात बात पे गाली बकते हैं।
Women would come to a clinic representing a physical or gynecological symptoms as a problem, and we would put her into discussions with our counselors and medical workers, and in the discussions the woman would tell the story of her life, and that story would tell a whole lot of things about how she understands her own risks and vulnerabilities and relationships. Now that is such an insightful and such powerful narrative, a woman telling the story of her life.
ज़्यादा भरोसा है, बाकी दोस्त यार तो हो सकता है मतलब कहीं बात मजाक में भी कहीं अपने को मतलब ढकेल सकते हैं, लेकिन बीवी एक ऐसी है कि जो अपने को सही रास्ता बताएगी।
मार्ग बता रहा है ये गेम, एक दूसरे के माध्यम से लेफ्ट राइट करके, मतलब ये मेरे को अच्छा लगा कि ये हमको वार्निंग दे रहा है लाइफ टाइम की, कि हमको अच्छा से हम दोनों मिलजुल के रह सकते हैं।
लेकिन ये बात मुझे सीखने मिली कि भाई सबसे ज़्यादा अपने करीबी जो है मेरी बीवी, उन पे भरोसा करना चाहिए, बाकी दूसरे ऐरों गैरों पे जो भी मतलब दोस्त यार जैसे भी हैं, चाहे वो गलत राय देते हैं या सही राय देते हैं, उन पे भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए।
We brought the men and the women, the husbands and the wives together, where both of them heard each other's perspectives, and it was an eye-opening experience for both of them to hear what their partners had to say about not only violence and a healthy marital relationship, but also around other issues of tension and household responsibilities.
हम लोग अपनी मस्जिदों में हर हफ्ते जो जुमा का दिन मुतबर्रक दिन होता है, उस जुमा के दिन हमारे धर्म के अनुसार सभी लोग जुमा की नमाज में हाजिर होते हैं और हम लोग मियाँ बीवी के सेहत के एतबार से और घरेलू घर में जितने लोग हैं उनकी सेहत का ख्याल करने के लिए भरपूर तलकीन करते हैं, यानी आगाह करते हैं, उन्हें बताते हैं, चेतावनी देते हैं।
मेरे को जब रिश्ता प्रोजेक्ट से ये मालूम पड़ा कि औरतों के लिए इंतज़ामात है और सेहत के लिए दवाखाना है, तो मैं वहाँ बोला तो कुछ औरतें आने लगी, उनको भी यहाँ से काफ़ी राहत मिली, काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ। वो हमारे पास चर्चा करती रहीं कि आपने अच्छी जगह मुझे भेजा और वहाँ पे अच्छा देखभाल होता है और वहाँ पे हमारे लिए बहुत सहूलत है।
Number of NGOs have actually come together, under the Rishta project and collaborated in the community to run a number of events, awareness campaigns, rallies, street plays, exhibitions, and on a very large scale, the annual Mahila Milan, which was a gathering of women on International Women's Day, where the messages of Rishta were actually spread, where materials created by ICRW were displayed. These were activities that involved multiple organizations working at the grassroots level and the communities which they were impacted, and brought all of them together to understand and discuss sexual health and health issues, but also the gender issues that are the deeper sort of underlying cause of those health problems.